Alright guys, so I finished sealing and patching the floor, or actually leveling out the floor with the patch kit here. Yeah, sim coat and patch. Like, in order to get this roll here, to actually get a good level without any creases on the floor, I would have to like level it out completely. And it's not just getting slapped down the floor, we're going to glue it. So I had to sit there and vacuum this floor multiple times, sweep it and vacuum it again, just get all the dust off the floor so we can just slap this down nice and smooth. So my idea of the reason why I do this, like in the corners and push up against the wall, is that it holds the water in case there's a spill, so that way it doesn't get inside the wall and ruin the drywall, so it doesn't leak and destroy the foundation at least, or whatever underneath this. Alright everyone, it is the next morning. I decided to come out here, work on the trim work for the ceilings, get this done, and I go to open the door and it's stiff for some reason. It's like, what's going on here? Well, the issue, check this out, the door is brushing up against the screen windows. I already gapped the door enough away from the screen so it could at least close and everything else, but didn't actually test it out with the door handle itself. So now we got an issue here, how to fix this actually. The only way to do that is take the whole screen door off and push it out a bit. It is pushed in a little bit too much, now thinking about it. And if I have to go down the route of putting this back on the door frame and redo everything, hey, then I'll have to do that. Well, just broke the router. Loose bearings. And that's what you get for buying something $25 at the flea market. You're like halfway through on this, trying to make the trim work. And I started noticing something's wrong, so I stopped immediately. And you feel little bumps there now.
I'm feeling so hollow. Don't you know? Don't you know? I'm living in shadow. Don't you know? Don't you know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I?
So obviously, I'm not that great with making these 45-degree angles up here. But it just looks ugly. So, here's a little cheat sheet. Make a little corner piece. It'll look nice.
What did I know? You a fool's gold. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. And I did it all for love. Yes, I did it all for love. Oh, they say fools believe in it, so I guess I'm one of them. Oh, don't you know? I fell for fools gold. I fell for fools.
Sometimes I forget to hit the record button before I do something here.
What did I know? I fell for fools gold. I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know? You a fool's gold. Yes, I did. I did.
Alright everyone, we are finished. We are done with this project. The whole room is completed. I started this back in April 15th of this year, and I just finished it now in July 18th, which is like 4 months later on. We do have a grand total of what I spent so far. I spent a total of $2,369.84 on materials used for this. Now, I have also used up $93.36 of rewards, and there's still like probably 250 or so rewards going to come back in the next like 2-3 months from now, whenever that's going to be. Now, if I would have bought the wood in here instead of milling it together with the router, the ceiling I would have spent probably $304 for all of the wood. The trim work around the whole room would have been $324.87. The trim on around all the windows would have been $137. The corner pieces could have been $38.76, totaling out to $891.70, which is the amount I saved for using the router and all the wood here. Well, actually, I didn't count this one piece going across here. Just add another 20 or something. Anyways, I filled up this memory card 3 times total, and this is the 4th time. I only had 20 minutes left on the final recording, which is right now. This is only like 20 minutes left, to be honest, on this whole thing. The room started off with blinds in here. I do have the blinds still. I thought about installing them, but it's going to like drill right into the trim work that I just put up. I don't want to drill into that. I want to leave it alone. So I put up the curtains instead. For the curtains, I know where majority of the board's uprights are at, except for 2 different areas, and I missed twice on the other side of the wall. So I do have plans to buy some curtains for this room, some new ones, not just the short ones here, to like actually enclose the whole, back room here. So anyway, this has been a really nice, fun project. Really fun project that I've worked on here. It's good experience. Do a special shout out thanks to my mom and dad, mainly for showing me how things are done. Let me help out with them on their projects before I can do my own right here with this. They've been really supportive. I even asked them like, why'd you do it this way or that way, and they tell me. So it's like, okay, thank you. And while I'm in the middle of this project here, you're learning as you go, like, why they do it this way instead of that way. It's like, oh, that's why they do it, that way. And so what I tried doing beforehand. So in the middle of this project, I started like, stop what I was doing, redo it. Something that I started, just completely redo it entirely for, the best results. And with that being said, this is the end of a long project. I started recording this video earlier on. I got to like 20 minutes or so and it's slowing down the entire recording, the whole software. So I decided to split up by 10 minutes instead. So it's going to be like separate videos. But by the time you see this, you're going to see a bunch of separate videos. If you just saw this one, you got a few others, to watch before this. But anyways, that's it. That is it for this whole project, this whole thing, all that. I am done. I don't know what my next thing's going to be. It's not going to be this long for months on end. Like this is a special thing. Maybe I'll do a bicycle next. I don't know. That's been a long one. But anyways, thanks all for watching. Have a good one.